Hi guys, just a short little video. A question came up over on Practical Machinist about some way repair. So I thought I'd show you some cast iron repair I've been doing. It's a little 18-inch straight edge. Had a mishap while it was being planed, and I accidentally hit the down feed, and that took a big old chunk out of it. So after trying some other things, I ended up getting some of this Muggy Weld. It's a SSF 6 silver solder. It's expensive. It's about $20 a stick, but I've used it on a couple of straight edges and it seems to work well. Let's see if we can get in close. I've been scraping on this one, getting it down in, and those are the, let's see if I can get a better light. There you go. Just rough scraping. The scrape's easy enough. It's hard. What I ended up doing was taking the straight edge and welding on it, filling it in there. I preheated it, took it out of my heat oven, and welded it, and then planed it again, then stress relieved it again, and now I'm into the scraping on it. You see, I do quite a bit of straight edges around here. Another thing I'm going to try to use that weld on, maybe, possibly. This is my cylindrical grinder. It's a Brown and Sharp. And right now I'm waiting on the belt to come back. Miles is making me a new leather belt, and that'll be up to speed. But when I was looking at the slides and making sure everything was okay, I took it off and cracked the heck out of the very end. You can kind of see it down there. It has no operational value, just kind of keeps the bed clean. This is what it looked like. That little cup area got knocked off. And I've been really worried about welding the doggone thing and making it nice, because then I heat affect that one area of that table, and I'm just not ready to do that yet. Anyway, that's what I've been doing with those things. This Muggy Weld.